Hello everyone, my name is Filatei and thank you for joining this class. And in this class, I'll be taking you around the basic UI development. As a UI developer, there are some basic steps you must know. Number one, you must use interface design basics. Number two, choose interface elements that will work for your design from the beginning till the end. Number three, best practice for designing an interface. Number four, you must keep the interface simple. Keep it very simple. Keep it very clear, keep it very direct to your client to understand. Number five, create consistency and use common UI elements. Number six, be purposeful in page layout. Number seven, strategically use color and texture. Number eight, use typography to create hierarchy and clarity in your designs. Number nine, have a system that communicates what's happening. Number 10, which is the last one, think about the default. What's going to happen to your page and what's going to happen to whatever you are creating. It will help you out as a UI designer. Hello everyone, my name is Peter. Thank you for joining this class once again. In this class, I'll be taking you the basic UI development. As a UI designer, you need to follow these basic steps before you can put a smile on the face of your users. Users interface design basics. Users interface design focus on anticipating what users might need to do and ensuring that the interface has elements that are easy to access, understand, and use to facilitate those actions. UI brings together concepts for interaction design, visual design, and information architecture. Choosing interface element. Users have become familiar with interface elements acting in a certain way. So try to be consistent and predictable in your choice and their layout. Do so will help with task completion, efficiency, and satisfaction. This is a Pepsi product. They have a Pepsi logo. You can see the consistency and predictable of their product. Best practice for designing an interface. Everything stems from knowing your users, including understanding their goals, skills, preferences, and tendencies. Once you know about your user, make sure to consider the following when designing your interface. Guidelines for user interface design. Focus on basic objectives. Build an interface that is easy to learn and use. Provide features that promote efficiency. Make it easy for users to obtain help or correct errors. Minimize input data problems. Provide feedback to users. Create an attractive layout and design. Use familiar terms and image. Keep the interface simple. As a UI designer, you need to make sure that you keep the interface very simple for users. Best interfaces are almost invisible to the user. They avoid unnecessary elements and are clear in the language they use, on labels, and in messaging. Use typography to create hierarchy and clarity while designing. Carefully consider how you use typeface, different size, font, and arrangement of the text to help increase cannability, legibility, and readability. Make sure that the system communicates what's happening. Always inform your users of location, actions, changes in state, or errors. The use of various UI elements to communicate status and, if necessary, next step can reduce frustration to your users. Think about the default. Be carefully thinking about and anticipating the goals people bring to your site. You can create default that reduce the burden on the user. This becomes particularly important when it comes to form design, where you might have an opportunity to have some field be chosen or fill out. So as a UI designer, you must always think about the default before you put yourself to practice. This will be the end for today, and see you in the next class. And also remember to subscribe to this channel so we can see in the next class or else. Alright.